Hey everybody, and welcome to my Valentin Imperial Maya Resort vacation vlog. Boy, that is a mouthful. My sister Charity and I went to the Valentin this year in June of 2021 to watch our friends Trina and Madison get married. It was lit. In this vlog, you'll see why you should vacation at Valentin Imperial. If you're new here, my name is Joy. I'm a Navy reservist and a Delta flight attendant. I write a blog called Travel the World with Joy. And with that being said, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Let's get started. Choo-choo.
How's Nebraska? How's the weather there?
Actually, right now it's summertime, so it's pretty warm. It's like 90 degrees.
There you go. Well, ladies, you pass the test. So you can. The use of the mask in the hotel is optional. It's not mandatory. You do the shipping if you use it. Are you here celebrating something special?
Yeah, our friends are getting married.
Oh, you're here for a wedding.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We got the bathroom right. Ooh, come walk in with me. Welcome to my crib. Boom, 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 boom. Right?
So tell me what you're seeing.
Oh, so what you're seeing here is a sink, right? And then you got the skeleton you can hop on every morning if you choose to or not. We got the tub that you can get up in here for completely, you can lay in there. It's like a legit tub.
Charity really went into there with her shoes on. Ew. This kid.
We got a bathroom with some privacy windows right here, a little shade right there so you can do in a phone in case you get stuck. Then, let me open this one. I thought I could slide it. We got the shower. Look at that marble, granite, stone, all mixed in one. Holler. All right, hop out, Joy, hop out. We got the bar. Ooh, you see that light turn on. Coca-Cola endorsed. Boom, we got some chips in there that are gonna be cold. Check out the closet spaces. Got the safe to put my racks in. Got a little study table here. Got the beds. Got the kids' couch. Yeah. Check that out. We got the patio out here. 2 chairs just so we can lounge and watch our neighbors. And I'll tell you the coolest thing of all. Outside of the TV, we got this. This little thing hooks up to your cell phone. So we can connect to the Bluetooth and then we can be in here dancing. However you want to dance, but check it out. This is paradise right here. Welcome to my crib. We're signing out. We're going to change and have fun.
So we are on our way to the pool. I guess that's where a lot of our friends are. We are actually in Cancun, Riviera Maya, this resort because our friends are getting married. So there's a whole bunch of us here. So I'm kind of excited to see everybody. It's been a long time. So I'm taking you guys to the pool.
Yeah, that's why I haven't.
Ocho, contamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 1, 2.
Today was so much fun. We had so much fun at the pool, and now we are going back to our room and we are going to change, and then we're going to go to dinner. So yeah, stay tuned. So it's day 2, and I'm looking a little rough. Last night was really fun. We were gonna go out, but then we decided not to go out. We ended up just having room service, and we called it a night early, but it was awesome because we had such a long travel day, so we probably just needed to like chill and relax. So we are on day 2, and it's really hot. But we are going to look for breakfast, and then what do we have to do today? Yeah, we're just gonna kind of take it like chill, probably go to the pool, maybe the beach. Yeah, definitely eat. We want to check out some of the restaurants around here. So tag along. Bang, bang. So there are about 7 restaurants on this whole resort, but there are 2 breakfast options. There is Mar and Tierra, which is like a la carte, and then there's La Marche, which is the buffet. Charity, how is that? How do you like it?
Delicious with a lot of flavor.
Really good?
And the texture is very nice and soft. You know, look at that. Yeah,
Very tender?
yeah, it's good. A lot of flavor. It's like explodes in your mouth.
So today is day 3, and it's a really big day because it's a day that our friends get married. So we're really excited. We're actually on our way to breakfast right now, and then we're going to go to the pool. We also have to get a COVID test because you have to have a negative test before you can leave Mexico. So we have to do that too. If you get positive, you have to stay at the resort for 14 more days. So, hola! So yeah, we're on the hunt for breakfast. So we're on the way to the wedding. It's super hot, but we ordered transportation. So I'm hoping that they bring a golf that they bring a golf cart because it's so hot. It's like hot as Hades. But I'm really excited to go to the wedding.
Do they need me to stop at the room? Otherwise, I'm going straight to the thing.
This reception area is so beautiful. I'm gonna have you guys check it out with me. It's outside and it's pretty hot, but it's beautiful. Guys, check it out. Isn't that gorgeous?
I don't want anyone to go to bed early, so if you're thinking about going to bed early, don't think about it.
Two, three, vamos! Yeah, it's just a little bit.
She's just a girl who said I am the one. Oh, my God, it's not my song. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who said I am.
So today is our last day. We actually leave tomorrow super early at like 5 in the morning. But last night was so much fun. Mosquitoes ate me up alive. I literally have like 10 bug bites. I was like counting them. But we're super excited. We're going to go get breakfast this morning. And tonight is also the Mayweather Paul fight. So I'm super stoked about that. Hey, little buddy.
With the fried rice too. Yep. Yeah, we'll show.
Paparazzi up in here.